Welcome, welcome to our beginner guide to HTML. Introduction. HTML stands for hypertext markup language, and it is the foundation of every website. In this video, we will go over the basics of HTML so that you can create your very first web page. No coding experience necessary, so let's get started. First, what is HTML? HTML is a markup language used to create the structure and the content of a web pages. It uses tags to define elements such as headings, paragraphs, images, and links. Tags are closed in angle brackets and they come in pairs with a starting and an end tag. HTML documents are made up of two parts, the head and the body. The head contains metadata about the document, while the body contains the visible content. Setting up your environment. To create an HTML document, all you need is a text editor and a web browser. You can use any text editor you prefer, but we recommend using a code editor such as Visual Studio Code, which has features like syntax highlighting and auto completion. Once you have your text editor ready, and you can create a new file and save it with the HTML extension. Installing VLC and browser. Let's start. To install your VLC, what you need to do is to go to Google and type VLC and strike enter. On the first link, click on VLC and you have VLC. You have three operating systems: Windows, Ubuntu, and for Mac users. Now it supports both version 11, Windows version 11, 10 and 8, and also for Mac user you can actually download for Mac. So what you need to do is to click on this very button. Already I have it installed, so I'm not going to click on it. Make sure you click on it, run the installation. If you have any difficulties on how to install your VLC, don't forget to contact us. So what we need to do next, once you install your VLC, now you just have to click on your VLC code. Search for your VLC and open your VLC code. Once you open your VLC code, already I have an existing file here. So what we need to do in your own, what you will see is this window. This is what you will see. So what you need to do is to click on File and click on Open Folder. Click on New Folder and give it a title of your choice. In my own case, I'm giving it Hello World because this is our first program that we are building. So I'm going to select it. So Hello World, I'm going to give it Hello World 1 already. So I'm going to select it. Once you select it, close this welcome environment. Here, once you hover your mouse, you have these two icons. This one is to create a file, this is to create a folder. So what we need to do, click on this, then we need to type index.html, and you have your index.html file. So now the next thing is to hold down your shift on the keyboard and press the exclamation mark at the top of your keyboard and select this first one. Now you have what we call boiling plates. This is boiling plate. Just as I told you earlier, we have two parts of HTML, the head parts and the body parts, and this is how to install VLC and create your first HTML file. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you.